I'm making Christmas ornaments here, but the process will allow you to do all sorts of decorative items. I designed the ornaments and laid them out in VCarve. You can download the DXF file from woodcademy.com. The program is designed to work with a 1/16 inch diameter router bit. The first cut is about 30 thousandths deep and is a decorative one, designed to represent the little cap on a traditional glass ornament. Holes for hanging are cut next in each of the parts. The 1/16 inch bit is remarkably strong for its size and cuts these with no problem. I've used Freud's 16th inch bit for a long time and really like it. This one is actually from SPE Tools and is a downshear. It also features a longer cutting edge than available from Freud. With either of these bits, I don't leave tabs behind to hold the parts. The chips in the groove are more than sufficient. Once the parts are cut out and sanded, they can be decorated using paint, inks, stickers, or engraved with a laser as I'm doing here. This is an inexpensive laser engraver I bought, and I sized the ornaments to fit within the 4-inch working area available. The capabilities of the CNC, coupled with the laser, provide a lot of opportunity to get creative with your projects.